Wishing you a good day, dear student. This is Angita from the various classes. Already in our previous video, children, we have discussed about present tense as well as past tense. In this video, we are going to discuss about future tense. We are going to discuss about the types of future tense. In our previous video, we have the deep discussions on these both topics that we have already done. Clear, no? We have discussed their forms, their types as well as their structures, their parts, and we gone through different examples as well. In this video, we are going to learn in deep about future tense, their parts, their structures as well as the example. So before going on this video, children, if you have any query, you have to go through the previous video so that whatever the query if you are having, if you are going to post, definitely I'll try to resolve that one. Otherwise, how can I came to know that whether you have seen the videos or not? Clear, no? By seeing the videos, you have to put your queries. If you have any questions from your book or anywhere else, you can put it in the comment section as well. Based on your topic, future tense, we are going to start. In previous, we have already covered these two. Hai? So let's start with the future tense. Before beginning of this one, we have already started the first part. That means we are going to start with your topic parts. In previous video, you have seen we have 4 parts. In case of present also, in case of past also. In this future tense also, we are having the 4 parts. Clear? So let's begin. You will write your heading. Future tense. Future tense. Clear, no? So if you know what are the types you are already having, that is common to you. You can just give your valuable answers in comment section. Please carry on. Start giving your answers. Okay. So first type which we are going to read in parts. First heading of yours is what? Parts. Clear, no? First part is what? Everywhere we are having this common part, that will be your simple. And in that simple we are going to add what? We are going to add future. And I told already in previous videos that simple future is written somewhere as in your indefinite. What? Indefinite. When you will watch these 3 videos one by one, then you find the resemblance in that. You find the similarity. Then you can understand that what are the Excel difference. You can note down these points at one side of your copy and you will start comparing that one. Then it's easy for you to understand. Clear? So it is also called your indefinite what? Tense. So as per your second query, I can go with it. I can see second type of ours is what? Second type of ours is your continuous. So which continuous we are having here? We are having future continuous tense. That will be our second part. Future continuous tense. Which work is decided but we are not able to do. Or we will do it in later life, that we are going to deal in future. Future perfect tense. Third of yours is what? Same, you are having perfect in case of present as well as past. So here also we are having future perfect tense. Clear? Understood, no? And last one which we are having is your future perfect continuous tense. That means this perfect is going to join with continuous and they are going to form future perfect continuous tense. Again and again you have to remember these things to understand it properly. That's what you have to do. नहीं तो क्या होगा बेटा? You are not able to read this properly. Otherwise you are not able to remember the types also. ठीक है? तो आपको बार बार क्या करना है? हर टाइप्स को बार बार प्रैक्टिस करना है ताकि जब भी आपसे कोई पूछे कितने टाइप्स होते हैं, then you have to give the answer that there are 4 types. Whether it is present, whether it is past or it is future. Clear, no? Now moving on the next part of yours. Next is what? Next for ours is structure. Clear? Structure. When we are going to discuss about structure, we have discussed about the forms of verb. Here also we are going to apply the forms of verb. Verb is having 4 forms. Out of these, we have to use in all these parts of your tense as per the requirement. In previous one, you have already gone through that one. So here we are using 2 verb form. Like in present we are using do or does. In past we are using in simple only did. Here we have an option to use will or shall. Clear, no? So first of all, we will write subject. Along with subject, we have to use an helping verb will or shall. This slash means your will or shall. Clear, no? Plus, we have to use verb first form. First form means which we are using in present tense. In past tense, we are using second form of the verb. But in present, simple present and simple future, we are going to use the first form of the verb. Clear? Along with that, we are using what? Object. Please note it down and then try to understand also, so that you don't find any difficulty while dealing with the topic. Understood? This is your first part of that which we are going to. Please note it down. Now, second part of yours is same. Here also we are using will and shall. Along with that, we are using one common term, that will be your be. Clear? Like we are going to take subject plus we are writing will or shall. Wherever you will see this type of things along with will or shall, if be is written, I will be going tomorrow, this type of sentence is given, then you have to understand, okay, along with will or shall, if be is used, it is none other than your what? Future continuous tense. Clear? So subject plus will or shall plus be plus we are having verb ka which form? We are having verb, I will write here. We are having plus verb ka fourth form, that means ing form, and last we are having object. Again and again everybody is just teaching in this way to remember. Children, I am not teaching you and I am not telling you to remember the concepts. I am only telling you to remember the helping verb, that's all. Because in all three tenses, this subject, verb form and object is mostly common. Only in case of past tense, in simple past, only this second form of verb is using. Apart from that, everywhere same verb form is using. If you are going to learn for one tense, then it is going to valid for others too. Only what you have to remember is, you have to remember the helping verb. Clear, no? So your helping verb is subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb ka fourth form plus ing verb form, and that last you are having as an object. Clear? Here in third one you are having subject plus will or shall plus have, will have or shall have, like that you will use. Clear? Plus verb ka which form you are using in third one? In third you are using third form plus object. Clear, no? Subject plus will or shall plus have plus verb ka third form plus object. Clear? And last you are using same have is there. One common term you are having, that will be your be, which is going to use in this. So you will write subject plus will or shall plus have. Along with have you are using what? Been. Please make it short. Here you are using only have. In which case? Future perfect tense. And here you are using along with have been plus verb ka fourth form, that is your ing form. I will not. Clear? Plus verb ka fourth form. Then one more term we are using. What is? Since or for. We are using what? Since or for. In that case, what we are going to read? In that case, if you are using, and then at last we are using your object. At some places, the since and for is not used. In some places, we are using. Because if you are going to make that word, that will be used for continuation. But in future, we have not seen that whether it will be continued or not. It is just an, you can say, imagination. No? So we cannot go with use of that properly in that case. Understood? So basically, this is your structure. What is the structure? Subject plus will or shall plus have been, and then we are using fourth form of the verb, that will be your what? And along with that we are using ing form. Clear? Please take a note of this one. Then we are going to discuss example. Clear, no? So in example, again we will write in our own way. Here we are having same example which we are going to continue. Example from here. I will use another color marker for that one. Example. In some of the books along with I, will is used. But in some of the books along with I, shall is used. I shall. To take the permission. Clear? Like for example here, I will or shall. We have to choose anyone. Like first example. I shall write a story. Second, clear no? I shall write a story. That means you can just raise a question. Along with I we are using will. But why we are using shall? He will do. That means in singular also, with singular we can use shall also. If he, along with he you cannot use shall. He shall. He will. Clear no? He is your plural verb. So, I shall write a story. Next is your, again you will continue I here. I, along with I, will or shall. You have to use no? Will or shall. So, I shall be. I shall be what? I shall be writing a, please note it down. I shall be writing a what? Story. Here, in future continuous tense, we have seen I shall. Along with that, we have a new term that will be your be. That you have to mention. I shall be. Which form of the verb you have to use from here? You have to use your fourth form of the verb. Write, wrote, written, writing. So, I shall be writing a story. Clear? Understood. Let's move to the third one. Along with subject, third part, I shall after what you have to use? You have to use have. So, I shall have, and then verb form is your third one. I shall have written. What you have written? I shall have written a story. Now I expect the fourth one from you. Like third one I have written, no? I shall have written a story. What is the fourth form? What is the fourth form? Okay. I shall have. After that you are having been. Because here we have used be. Here we have to use been. I shall have been. What you are doing or what you want to do in future? Writing a story. Clear? That means what? I shall have been writing a story. There is no any hard and fast rule for this one. There is no any hard and fast rule for this one. Understood, no? The thing is, if you are going to remember these things in a proper way, the things is helpful for you to understand. Once again, we are going to recall the things properly in a common video where we are going to learn all the parts in one video. Here I have explained little bit in a brief. Clear, no? We have discussed what are the things we are going to use. We have discussed what are the example we have to take. Simple example only I have taken, children. But I cannot say that these are only the example. You have to go with many books. You have to solve many examples as well, so that you can understand the things properly. Do you get my point? You have to see. From this video, you can just identify that what type of tense these all are. Like if nothing rule is given, if it is given, I shall have been writing a story, and somebody put you a question, which type of tense is this one? So what answer you are going to give? By closing your eyes also you can give the answer, okay, shall have been or will have been. We are using in fourth form. That is fourth part is your, which part? Fourth part. And fourth part is what? Future perfect continuous tense. Clear, no? So by seeing the example, sometimes also you can just refer to the types or you can refer to the part of that one. That is the most example. Do you get my point? So for that you have to just make a continuation of watching all 3 videos which we have prepared for present tense, past tense as well as future tense, so that you can compare one after the another what are the similarity we are having from present to the future. Do you get my point? Apart from that, please start practicing these things again and again in your life and try to speak more and more words. As much as you will communicate with others in a proper way, that much your tense will improve. I didn't say that you are not able to communicate, but you have to communicate more to improve your tense and its use also. Clear? So just keep watching these videos, and I think we will continue one more video where we will go with the common introduction and we will try to sum up every tense in one video, and all the rules and all we will discuss it over there. Clear, no? So let's bind up this video from here only, and keep watching this. Just I'll try to make one more video where we will discuss in a brief. Clear? So just I'm going to end up this class. Children, keep like, share and subscribe this channel once again to update yourself every day. We are posting video every day, so you just get update from this channel, and try to watch the videos which we are posting and try to give your valuable comments also on that. Keep watching. So please, thank you. Have a nice day.